Hello, my name is Jose Ignacio. Do you happen to run a wine shop or a similar beverage business? Perhaps you'd like to see which bottles are selling better without having to open those Excel sheets. Or you can't seem to find that pesky set of orders that are backlogged. Well, I have something for you today. It's Odoo. Odoo is your all in one management solution. Wine shop owners can streamline everything using Odoo. Do you need to keep your bestsellers in stock without manually ordering them? We've got you covered. The Purchase app has everything for you. And if you're struggling to organize your big buyer leads, say no more. Odoo CRM enables you to build lasting customer relationships by tracking preferences, managing sales opportunities, and personalizing marketing efforts to boost loyalty and drive repeat purchases. Then, when those customers come in, you can even handle in store transactions without leaving Odoo because we have a POS point of sale application. And the best part, Odoo is designed for every kind of business, whether you're running a wine shop, a climbing gym, or something entirely different. Odoo empowers your business to reach its full potential with a flexible, easy to use platform that simplifies daily operations and it fuels sustainable growth. So let's explore today's demo together. So here we're presented with our main dashboard. If you've selected one of our industry databases, you'll notice that there's applications that have already been installed. We're going to be talking about a few of them today. The very first one is Odoo CRM, so we're going to open that up. Now, Odoo CRM streamlines the entire sales process for wine shops, from capturing a new lead interested in purchasing a large selection of wines to closing out other leads with ease. I'm going to hit the new button up at the top just to show you what this looks like. And you'll notice we're guided by this nice little tour that makes it a little bit easier for us to understand what's in front of us. So each one of these can be assigned to a team member and tracked through every stage of the pipeline with logging of meeting, calls, and emails, along with everything that you need to ensure that you personalize your follow ups. I'm going to discard this using our nice little trash can right there and open this wine for wedding opportunity right here. So inside of our nice main view here, we have a lot of information in front of us. We have our planned activities. As I'd mentioned, from within this scope, we are able to schedule activities. In terms of personalized follow ups, this can be a meeting, a document shared, perhaps a signature, a call, email, and so forth. Within here, it just allows you to have unlimited traceability while also allowing you to be able to sell at a faster rate. For instance, speaking on the note of sales, if we happen to select what's called a smart button up at the top, we can actually jump immediately from our CRM to our sales application. So once interest is confirmed, a professional quotation can be generated inside of the sales application. And here is our example one. So here you can generate a quote very quickly by adding products over here to our lines. We can quickly search for things and add them even further. And as you could tell, our nice little sales order grows. We have sections and the ability to change these. And there's one thing that I keep forgetting about, and that is the fact that let's assume that you do this frequently. You have a template. Well, you can make them and you can standardize your templates within Odoo. We give you a few of them to start out with, and they just help you sell a little bit faster by saving time. So, as you can see, there is no need for a salesperson to guess what a customer wants or to try to track down that email chain about desired products or those back ordered types of sales products that we talked about earlier. Everything is tracked within Odoo. Salespeople can rely on previously logged notes that we could have over here or conversations inside of the CRM to inform smarter quotations. Then, with a simple confirmation up at the top, we can create our invoice and move forward, turning our opportunity into success with just a few clicks. You never actually had to leave any of the pages. So here we are back on the main dashboard. Now it looks a little bit different because this time around we're on an iPad. And why? Well, let's assume that the customer is finally ready to check out. I don't actually have to worry about that either because with Odoo's integrated POS process, completing a purchase is quick and seamless, including in-store transactions. So we simply open up our POS application. I've already opened up a register so we can continue selling over here. Now, here we are in the main POS application. We can simply select products if we'd like, and we could start adding them to this order over here. And when we're ready to accept payment from our customers. But let's assume that they weren't fully ready yet and they've brought us a product that I'm unfamiliar with. It happens to be a new product we haven't added just yet. Well, I can also use my handy dandy barcode scanner. I could use the iPad's camera directly and you can see me right there. So we could use that if we'd like to as well. Now, once we have all the desired products to our cart, We can choose from a variety of payment methods to finalize our transaction effortlessly. Okay, but what if we don't want to limit ourselves to in person sales? We also have an app for you. Every great brick and mortar shop can benefit from an engaging online presence, and doing so from a wine shop's perspective is effortless with Odoo. You can design the perfect website by, well, opening up our website application over here and selecting Edit. So over here we have these nice building blocks which allow you to showcase your story, product offerings, upcoming events, and give customers a true taste of your brand. These are as simple as dragging and dropping them to their selected areas. And we don't just allow you to drop them in, we even further empower you to be able to select one that benefits or represents your brand image the best. But let's close this out and we're going to discard this because I'd like to talk about our integrated shop. If we select it up at the top and go over to our products, we can see our full product selection, which enables visitors to easily browse, as you can see me right now, add their favorite wines to the cart, and then complete their transaction by their preferred payment method and even delivery options since Odoo handles shipping so that we can turn your brick and mortar shop into an online powerhouse, all via a seamless experience. Now, speaking of upcoming events as well, as I did mention, Odoo has an events application where you can organize and promote wine related events. And if we select the top heading over here that says events, once that one has been created, you can actually post it directly on your website, allowing users to be able to quickly add them to the calendar, register for events, and easily configure details such as tickets, pricing, and communications without requiring a separate website or application. This seamless website integration allows you to publish them and present your events effortlessly. Customers themselves also purchase their tickets directly from the website, and you manage those registrations and communications all inside of Odoo. Because after the event is finished, you can reintegrate those new leads into your CRM and complete the sales process full circle just to keep it going. A wine shop's mission is to create an inviting and enriching experience where customers can discover, enjoy, and learn about wines from around the world. It's about more than just selling bottles. It's about sharing stories, flavors, and moments that bring people together. A great wine shop strives to guide each customer towards the perfect selection for their taste, occasion, or curiosity while fostering a sense of community and appreciation for the craft of winemaking. Your mission is to make every visit a journey of discovery and every bottle a memorable experience. With Odoo, you can make these goals easier to attain by handling everything from your day to day operations to customer experiences. If you're ready to give us a chance, and we'd love to help you out, please visit odoo.com. And I'm going to have a link below as well so you can schedule an appointment so that we can guide you through the process personally. Come grow with us. Have a nice day.